Simone RRO. This episode from our experimental series that we really like is based on the air fryer, which means the experiments will be centered around these devices. I'm excited because the things we have here, we're going to put them in the air fryer and see what happens to them, whether they'll turn out good or not. Interestingly, one of you will get this air fryer today from last month's contest, and there will be another air fryer contest this month. We're sticking with air fryers. That's why once a month there will definitely be an episode with this device. And the pizza that won is called Claimer. Don't say it yet because someone will already know who won. They'll look it up, so we'll make the pizza here with comments. The ingredients are ready, but please wait a moment and be patient. There's a pizza drawer, which is good. We've sorted the pizza in the air fryer. Now we're just dealing with odd dishes for it, or any air fryer. We'll be making it in this one and in the other one too, because it's transparent. It'll go a bit faster for us. Yeah, we'll do it in two. And here you'll also be able to see, the process, Aki. No, go ahead, you start. Well, kiwi is good, but with the skin? Did you know people eat kiwi with the skin? Canned food, let's just take it out. Roasted canned food, it's going to be awesome. I think it's good. I don't know. I'm curious what will happen with the meringues. This one is good, but I would bake a 7 days. It could be something brilliant. So wait for the second episode. Maybe there will be a second one. No, okay, I'm baking a 7 days. What else are you taking? But if you don't take fish, maybe fish now, either mackerel or herring, I have a suggestion. You take a good set in 2 flavors, good, and I'll make a different fish pocket like this. Oh, but yours, I can smell it right away. All right, it's going to stink, fine, what can I do? Skittles, I'm losing weight, throw it in, you'll bake Skittles, so I'll bake cottage cheese. But let's hide the rest, because it'll come in handy for the next episode. That's what I think, in my opinion. Yes, Artur, we have a big pocket here for pizza. Yeah, and look, give it here and without, it's fine, not, but this is that childhood chemical smell that makes you want to eat it, but here you can smell the preservative, because right away, well, powdered sugar, I wonder what will happen if we add 2 more Skittles. I think everything will just mix together and that's fine, otherwise nothing will happen. The first one that goes in, but this will be quick. Temperature at 200. And set the time 15 because this will take longer. I'm not taking out that tray, so what, the meat in general? Oh damn, I repacked it, I cut it earlier, man, what is this? Yeah, it's green. Look, no chemicals, no preservatives, 94% meat. We have to try it, but what about the mouth? Thanks. Relax, it's fine. This will be delicious. 2 pockets are done, we just have the 3rd left. We stuffed the first one for 15 minutes daily, but it could be 10. We'll check soon. Oh, can you cut one? Well, probably not. We need to know how it tasted before, right? Damn. I wanted to say that this one is awesome, but then I tried this one. But this one is natural, and this one is soaked in marinade, soaked in vinegar marinade, and this one is delicate. I'm tasting baked herring and marinade. What kind is this? Wisner? The sliced one is great, and this one is interesting too. Should I shake off the onion like this? Well, I think so, to the side there, to that one side, more like that, but these are so meaty, I'll tell you, they're awful. No, that's why you need to pay attention to that, but baked herring will be great. Artur, yes. There's even onion. It's really good. It's taking off. We've got it. Let's add the cottage cheese and see how it bakes. I think it's too fast, probably for the first solution. You know what we'll do, Artur? I have a suggestion. We need to find out who is who. If we give you our email, you'll send us 1 million emails and we won't know, so the person who won will show their nickname on the screen. They have to edit their previous comment, and then we'll get in touch with that person. All right, and live, please change it now. When they change it, send us the address to the given email. Unfortunately, that's how it has to be done. So we're following your recipe, supposedly the most unusual and weirdest pizza ever, but still delicious. You're watching and looking because maybe it's your comment, and only when we finish will we say whose comment it was, so you get 2 episodes in one. Weird things from the air fryer, plus supposedly an awesome pizza. Something interesting is cooking. Oh, damn. Okay, earlier. Give me the new ones. We'll just make these brown, just a little browning. We have the pizza dough ready. I'll just knead the dough. All right, I'm taking them out. Oh, damn, that's just right. Oh, damn, man, it looks nice. It cracked, it even cracked, but this pizza is stiff, damn. Oh, damn. Better, much better, crispy crust, and inside a soft crust, but it still turned out a bit crumbly. More so. There's no huge difference, but it's definitely better. If someone likes meringues, it's worth tossing them into the air fryer for a moment to heat them up. And in my opinion, it's a game changer, much better. It's nice that you can already taste the herring. It's nice that you can feel I'm struggling with this dough. Man, do you know how to film? No, me neither. I know I used to know how. Our cheese is already browning nicely, getting crispy, toasting up well. Okay, something here, something just turned off on me. Oh, damn, but let's mess it up a bit more, right? Come on, just a little longer. You know what? The timing doesn't matter anymore. We're just watching what happens. Claimer, something's already smoking here. 7 days? Is it 7 days? Come on, 7 days? Oh, damn, what's happening inside, Arky? Oh, damn, it's melting, Shiku Primož. Come on, hurry up, come here. Finally, someone called me. Good morning, such a word, Primož. So now all 3 people who asked about me. Mom, I'm alive. What did you think? That I'd end up in jail? Child support, and here I am. What could this be? A croissant? I'll tell you, ketchup 7 days. This is 7 days on steroids. Hey, a different product, oh damn. A different product like puff pastry. Oh damn, 7 days is just underbaked puff pastry, but I'm missing a bit of chocolate, damn, because you know, 7 days is better with vanilla ice cream. Oh damn, but it got a bit bitter for us. I think we overdid the amount. No, we should have done it a second faster so it wouldn't be like that. Toasted on top, but the chocolate is kind of weak, like oh damn, the croissant does the job for me. All right, is it better or worse? Much better. I didn't expect it to start like this. Good. How did you like it? Was it tasty? About that herring, it really hits the nose. You can really feel it. It's strong. The base is strong, but the vinegar came out not good. Let's all start with the first one from the left. It's amazing that it's so soft, but sweet, but different. The product baked, a preview. The texture is amazing, but I think the vinegar kills the warmth. Yeah, the warmth made it even more intense. Hey, I really like the taste, nice texture. And Krichu seems happy. Maybe it's Greek style, but it's too sweet and salty. The vinegar taste is too strong at the end. It's just not for me. I can't handle the aftertaste. Come on. Let's try it in oil. Because in oil it won't be so strong. But in oil, listen, it's got that smell. It's like fish from the knife, but salty, salty, salty. Nothing went bad. Good, delicate, but the delicate meat is just herring. Simply really good, juicy. Juicy, soft. Look, it melts. You don't eat herring, but I don't eat herring, but you'll eat this piece, will you? Of course, but it's so delicious. But herring from a package doesn't fall apart like this. Of course not. It's like if I just walked up to a fishing boat, bought the first thing, you know, this is a real one, taken straight from the package. Here you go, Krzysztof. Here you go, Primož. I'll tell you, I prefer without. I don't accept this. Well, okay, I don't know why I would buy this for myself. Try this more brown one. It's just as hopeless, yes, but a bit more like a sponge cake. I preferred this one, but maybe it was warmer. I agree it was warmer, but I didn't feel any emotion. Maybe it means it aspires to be a sponge cake. It's like a beige Labrador, but you'd want a Labrador, well, a beige Labrador. Jesus, luncheon meat, some kind of canned food. It's canned food. No, look, it's scary. What does it remind you of? Isn't the skin kind of like roasted chicken roasted? Yeah, ooh, how does that even look? Damn, you could make fried burgers out of this. Yeah, damn, it's kind of like pork neck. What kind of meat is this? When you buy ground meat made from a female dog, yeah, these meats just fall apart. You see, I wouldn't say this is ground meat. Not now, this looks like shredded meat. Look, these are actual meat fibers. This sauce, these potatoes, wow, but what, are you going to put a burger in the sauce? Wow.
This could have been a full dish.
I think I'll have a little.
All right, and the master, right, well...
It's delicious. For me, it's delicious. Hey guys, this is a great discovery. I'm telling you, really, this is my favorite. Damn, all the pride is gone. Bravo, gentlemen. So the fun belongs to you. It only appeared in the new year. It wasn't there before, and I didn't notice it.
Damn, don't use baked kiwi. Yeah, exactly.
Whoa, but the skin came off. Damn, baked apple. Yeah, not kiwi, but the peel comes off by itself. If you wanted to mess around and experiment, look how beautiful it is, just like new potatoes, damn, baked, like baked potatoes.
Exactly, like tossing a kiwi in a campfire.
Exactly. Hey, anyway, wait, it's 3 in the morning. You're drunk, right? So what else are they doing? You're peeling it for convenience like a burnt potato because soon, wait, I'm about to burn myself on this brother's campfire. Are we greeting first or is it soon? I've lasted this long like a kiwi, but wow, how long it holds up, that's when the potatoes get put out. It smells interesting.
Damn, it has compote.
But it's sour, but it's aromatic.
This is current compote with current. This is current compote with current. Seriously.
Hey, you just need to check how much a kilogram of currants costs. And kiwi, if kiwi is cheaper, you should buy kiwi and swap it.
I wonder if you put currants in the air fryer, will it turn into kiwi? Will it be kiwi?
It's nothing special, it just tasted that way. I also really like the currant. Food-wise, it's not a 10 for me at all, but in terms of surprise, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. 9 out of 10, I'll say bravo. There are fish for 2.
8.5. Really delicious.
It's delicious. Even if I wasn't involved, I'd still approve. I know we'll probably have it for dessert at communion. All right, so Claimer, now we also have some cottage cheese here. Oh, damn, man, this is really stretchy. Well,
It turned into mozzarella.
damn mozzarella. Oh, damn, a new product. My wife makes pancakes with this.
I think, totally, yeah. Like when we have mozzarella, it doesn't have any taste. It just has that texture. Like, come on.
I would give mozzarella a high score, between 7 and 8, because the air fryer turned this product into another product, and that's the key to this show. No, not today now, gentlemen. We'll have to call you in a moment.
There will be a king in today's episode or something like that.
Because we have, yes, pizza for the contest with that air fryer, which was up for grabs this month. Oh, there will be. Yes, yes. So we're asking you. It's called the weirdest recipe for the air fryer. What do you make and how does it taste? And that's what will be up for grabs next month. And we're making this pizza from what won last month. For the base, roasted beetroot sauce with horseradish. Blows your mind, right? I just throw in this spoonful of horseradish and mix it. Yeah, good pizza is Kraft Arksy. That's definitely a spoonful of horseradish. Oh, damn. I also think it might take over the flavor. I think so too, that it should just be a light sauce, not an overloaded mix. It's interesting, you have to admit, this ossipek, maybe plus mozzarella, if it's not stretchy enough, it's gonna be intense, I'm telling you, but it's some kind of country style pizza, the only one, well, Highlander style, man, Polish. What do you think? Cheese, I think that's enough. Slow roasted pork neck and honey and mustard. Oh, damn. Arthur, oh God, if your pizza won, now you know why we chose it. We just wanted to eat it. Did you make this? He loves the honey, slow roasted pork neck and honey and mustard. And that's how it was then, and later too. After baking, pickled cucumbers go on, roasted onions, smoked ossipek cheese, grated, and after baking, fresh dill on top, so everything goes on, the rest goes on after baking. But I'm so excited. Your recipes are brilliant and they really make you lick your lips. Artur. Okay, so listen, write in the comments if you want episodes like this. I hope so, because we still have a lot of interesting ideas. Right, Kamer? Tell us step by step, because I didn't eat that. Okay, what did you do? From scratch? I bought pork neck in slices, put it here, but you seasoned it, right? Because there's already pepper, salt, smoked paprika. Of course, for this purpose, we added mustard, Dijon, and honey, mixed it, drizzled a bit of olive oil, mixed it again, and then it went into the oven. It's important, listen, to cover it all around with foil. You set the air fryer for about 2 hours because it just melts, I'm telling you. This is the best pork neck I've had in a long time. Definitely today, but I'm joking. Probably the best I've ever had. Take a piece, just a small one for now. Well, it looks like meat to me. Bravo, you're almost there. It's straightforward now. It's not bananas, it's not oranges. We know it's not kiwi, right? Oh, wow. It's so good, sweet, but it's good. All right, now listen. Archer bought raw pork neck and made it like this in the air fryer. Well, I think it's just regular, like it is, as if it was taken off the grill. Honey mustard plus spices. I haven't eaten such good meat in a long time. Seriously, what did you use? No, really, a 10. Well, Arta Smolta, that's Arta. Listen, my flavors, you nailed it. Mustard, honey. So it's unbelievable. I'm really happy. All right, gentlemen, I'm saving this for the very best until the end. Well, the cheese is already, wow, so dark. Oh, the bacon looks good too. It's Kraft. Come on, tell me you nailed it with that meat. Bravo, Arthur. Seriously, I'm begging you, beg. Bravo, I'm already begging. You're begging. All right, thank you. We put it like this, right? Yes, listen, at the end we have to sprinkle it with some grated ossipek cheese. Yeah, that's how it looks, nice. And we also thought we'd put it back in. You know what? Another 30 seconds, Artur. It's pizza. Don't say anything yet. From the comment of the viewer who won, this guy just wowed. I think we'll leave it like that and let's keep going. That's great because I wanted to praise Markin, but congratulations to you, the viewers. It already looks beautiful. Yes, and that's very good. I'm also doubly happy that I didn't have to praise Marcin. It really looks awesome. As for Wukowice, we'll return it. I think I generally pay 62 zlotys. Now the nickname of the person who has to edit their comment and write, "It was me who won," is appearing on the screen because we will be getting in touch. I won, I won, I won. If I had to send a representative of Poland to Eurovision Pizza, that would be a good candidate, but with pickled cucumber and some dill, because that gives it that Polish touch. I take it so that everything is just right. Here, look, yeah, I think it's cool too. The dill really does the job. This is what I call a pizza. It's rich. You look at it and you know you paid for it. Oh, damn, I don't know why it tasted like holidays to me. I saw it like a sandwich, but to me it's like Easter Highlander pizza. It's just not Italian. The Highlander got offended by the Italian. This is Polish. He got offended by the Italian and made this kind of pizza. I haven't eaten it, but I'll tell you, it's good. Only the dill makes it work. At first glance, you could say from the ingredients we used that it would be a bit over the top, but it's good. The worst part of this pizza is the dough, haha. But the dough isn't according to the recipe in the comments. The dough is store-bought, but the whole fish is. I thought this sauce would be really overpowering. This horseradish, you know what it's still missing? I like horseradish, you know it's missing. Vodka, garlic sauce, I would like to say, well, pour a little more on it. What will be Polish? Do you want it? Do we have it? Well, congratulations, it's delicious. You know, what is this pizza? That Gazer came up with it in a restaurant, and we said, did she really come up with it? I think there's nothing to be ashamed of here, and you can say, this is a restaurant pizza made in an air fryer. We're not trying, we're done. Remember to leave a comment, give us a weird dish from the air fryer. We're not necessarily choosing herring and chocolate, we're choosing something we can see. Use your imagination, maybe it could be good. An extra story is always welcome. The air fryer is waiting for you. Thank you, kisses, bye. Listen, there are too many ingredients, too much food, and I forgot the most important thing. Well, not the most important, but another ingredient that's really needed for a tasty dish, really needed, and that's caramelized onion. I'm thinking you can just grab it with your hand, you can take a bite too, but I'm glad we're together again that we can eat. Listen, we've already split up, but there's still a golden comeback. Whoever stayed for After Center knows how it should look. Let's cut up Jesus. Okay, I'll take the smallest piece. No, don't be so hard on yourself. Onion will also do what onion does. It'll blow your mind. It'll add even more sweetness. No. And you can feel spring here. Now that's a treat. Now it's the best. That's the thing. It's a treat. But honestly, for me, onion changes a lot. Delicious.